Good morning. I've got another digital learning tool for you. This one is called the Fraction Fiddle tool. The purpose of using this tool is twofold. One of them is for you to explore a little bit further the way the denominator, the number on the bottom, is referring in a fraction, is referring to the amount of parts the whole is split up into. The numerator, the number at the top, is the number that we're talking about, how many parts we're talking about. Fractions can get complex if you're just looking at the abstract number, a line, a number. That is when people get confused with fractions. I can't say this enough. I want you to be always thinking of fractions, no matter if you're in year 4 or year 5 with me, or year 6 or year 7 or year 8 or year 9. I want you to be always thinking as fractions as a real life object. Half a pizza, half a chocolate bar, whatever you like. So this is a fraction Fiddle tool. I've used this before, so I'm going to click yes. If you want some more explicit instructions, click no. Okay, so here we have one whole. We have one whole here. Down the bottom, we have a number line. We're going to start looking at placing fractions on a number line. So instead of having one whole, I'm going to split the whole into 3 parts. You can see we now have one whole split into 3 parts. Let's say we're talking about 2/3 of it. You can see down the bottom here, you can see this number line from 0 to 1. 2/3 is smaller than 1, but bigger than 0. You can also see that the distance between here and the number 1 is split into 3, and we're talking about 1/3, 2/3, 1 whole. Watch what happens when I split the number, the denominator, but I keep the numerator the same. As Jerry's theory proved, the number gets closer to 0. Let's keep going. It'll only go for 12. Now watch what happens when I make it smaller. Today, I want you just to play around with this and explore different combinations of the numerator and the denominator. I want you to be looking at the visual representation of the image. I also want you to be starting to pay attention to the number line.